Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Swagtron Commuter electric scooter. Commuting swag just got better with the app-enabled Swagger 5 Boost electric commuter scooter. In the Swagtron app, it has built-in speed indicator, LED headlights and 3 speed modes round out the Swagger 5 Boost, making it a commuter's dream. Larger 300 watts motor added an upgraded motor to our flagship foldable e-scooter, giving riders power enough to swag up to 18 miles per hour. Focus on the ride, not the charging. The fine-tuned 36 volts long-range battery can last up to 11 miles per charge. Fully charges in just 3.5 hours. Quickly fold down the Swagger 5 Boost with a foot-actuated folding mechanism. Perfect when you need to swag and go. The aluminum alloy frame was engineered for maximum resilience and is durable enough to support riders. Easy storage, easier portability. Our second best electric scooter for commuting is Gryphon Dolly electric scooter. With a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of 15 miles per charge, Gryphon Dolly electric scooter is a durable and practical tool to cut your commuting time and effort. Perfect for running errands, sightseeing and just getting around your neighborhood. Powerful 250-watt DC hub motor with electronic anti-lock maintenance-free brake plus a rear fender press brake. Front tire suspension and honeycomb never-flat airless rubber tires. Patented dolly and vertical self-standing feature lets you roll it like a suitcase and stand it vertically out of the way. Twist grip electric hand brake and rear foot brake. Third choice in our list is Razor E200 electric scooter. This is one of the most popular electric scooter for commuter in the market. Designed for riders ages 13 and up, the E200 matches its bigger size with its powerful, 200-watt, high-torque, single-speed, chain-driven motor to thrill older riders. Hitting speeds up to 12 miles per hour, that means 19 kilometers per hour for up to 40 minutes of continuous use. The E200 is perfect for a solo adventure or a cruise with friends, with the range to tackle both. The E200 features an all-steel frame and fork for durability, while the 8-inch 200mm pneumatic front and rear tires help take the bite out of rough surfaces. And, with its twist grip acceleration control and hand-operated rear brake, the E200 puts power and control in your hands. Recommended for ages 13 and up, supports riders up to 154 pounds. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Xiaomi Mi electric scooter. Mi electric scooter has a forward-thinking design that inspires and moves, just as it moves you ahead. Strong yet lightweight, the sturdy frame is made of aerospace-grade aluminum, which has a low density and high structural strength. It also has excellent thermal conductivity and corrosion resistance for added durability. Mi electric scooter is a great portable size and weight for carry-ons and for maneuvering stairs and pavements. Safety lighting headlights are essential for night riding, yet not all scooters have them. Red taillights flash distinctly while braking as a warning to other pedestrians and vehicles on the road. Up to 6 miles on a single charge. Several 18650 mAh high-capacity lithium batteries supplied by LG delivers up to 6 miles of travel on a single charge. Smart battery management via the app displays the health of the battery pack and notifies you immediately if there are issues. Let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best commuter electric scooter list is Razer EcoSmart electric scooter. The soft padded seat and wide bamboo deck for plenty of footroom make the ride on EcoSmart Metro electric scooter both comfortable and stylish. EcoSmart Metro electric scooter has standard bicycle size 16-inch pneumatic tube tires, which provide a smoother ride on rougher terrain. Whether it's reusable grocery bags or your backpack or purse, use the luggage rack or detachable basket to transport your stuff. This 500-watt high-torque electric scooter with twist grip throttle can hit speeds up to 18 miles per hour to 29 kilometers per hour and travel up to 12 miles means 19 kilometers on a single charge. EcoSmart Metro electric scooter is built with a tubular steel frame for a solid ride. Rear-wheel drive shifts weight to the rear, enhancing both traction and ease of steering. With its 36 volts rechargeable battery system, EcoSmart Metro electric scooter requires no gasoline, making it an alternative for local transportation. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.